Welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Cardano. We're gonna break down some news that are coming out, as well as BitBoy. He just bought 1 million coins of ADA Cardano. So let's dive into analysis real quick. So we got Cardano right here, currently being traded at 1.67, 12.59% in the past 24 hours. It's really up 20% in the past since in the new daily candle. I would say I don't count the last 24 hours. I count when the last daily candle happened. So let's have a look. We got 1 million people watching this coin, guys. Currently ranked at overall number 4. Market cap of $53 billion, fully diluted 75 billion, guys. A lot of people are calling this coin to go up to $33. Can this happen? If that happened, guys, it would overtake essentially Bitcoin's market cap. It would be a market cap of $930 billion, guys. That's insane. That's almost $1 trillion. Can that happen? Maybe, maybe not. Anyways, this is BitBoy right here. Yesterday, 15 hours ago, he announced that he bought $1 million worth of Cardano with a prediction of $33. That is insane. Number 2, yes, so we do have the Alonzo testnet coming out tomorrow. We also have the ERC20 contract integration with Ethereum, which is going to be very, very, very big in my opinion. And some news right here, as you guys can see, nothing too crazy. Cardano is looking very, very bullish overall. Let's dive into the charts real quick. So first of all, before anything, Bitcoin is up 4% of the day, guys, and that's the only reason why this market is up quite a lot, I would say, especially altcoins. When altcoins, when Bitcoin pumps, essentially altcoins will pump. So anyways, let's dive into Cardano. We are entering on the 4-hour time frame. We had a nice little bounce off this trend line. That's number 1. Can we enter a nice little channel right here? Very, very possible. When we have an ascending channel, we usually always tend to break out towards the downside. So if this ends up being an ascending channel, something like this, we're most likely going to come back and test and go back down to the downside. And if we break out, if we do hit right here, which is a 2.32 level, we're probably going to make a double top, which is not the best thing we want to see. But overall, I am pretty bullish on Cardano. They don't have a launching product yet, but once they do, I think this thing is going to go flying to the moon. We could have a look at some of the ribbons right here. So we are well above the ribbons right here. We had a nice little breakout. It's I actually like this confirmation on the ribbons. It's a pretty nice one. We actually, once we broke out, we came back, retested that line, which was right here. Let me zoom in. It was the 55 exponential moving average. We retested that one. Let's have a look at the moving averages real quick now. On the moving average, we are actually breaking right now the 200 moving average, which is pretty big. Every time we're gonna break the 200 moving average, that's gonna be a bullish news. Essentially, when we broke it right here about a week ago or a few days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, we had a nice little run to the downside. But we had that nice fake out essentially right here, and got rejected by this support resistance right here. So let me take that out. This is the support right here. I mean the resistance. We got a rejection here, a rejection here, and a rejection here, and a rejection here. So we have 4 rejections. So in my opinion, Cardano can make a run to 1.8. It's going to be very interesting to see if we could stay above this level. If we have a nice little breakout to 1.9, then it could be another target to buy. As of now, I will not be doing anything. I will not be taking a long, just accumulating during this range essentially. On the weekly time frame, guys, on the weekly time frame, we are actually looking pretty solid in my opinion. We had a nice the weekly candle closes in 12 hours, I believe, and yeah, we had a nice little ugly candle right here. We actually broke below support, managed to come back up. Very beautiful candle. Let's have a look on the daily time frame, something I didn't cover on the daily time frame as well. We are just consolidating right now. We are forming, guys, this W pattern right now. We are forming this W pattern on the daily time frame. So if we do break that line right here, which is the neckline, this would be the neckline essentially, we can see Cardano fly and explode to even 2.5, even back to 2.3 around this area right here. We could see Cardano come back, and right now it's looking very bullish. And anyways, it's going to be very interesting to see what Cardano happens and how this market reacts, and if Bitcoin pumps or dumps in the near future. Short analysis on Bitcoin, nothing too crazy. We are still right here just chilling at the support. This is pretty strong support right here, the $34,500 level. If we manage to break that, I don't see why Cardano is going to be bullish in my opinion. Unfortunately, this whole market relies on Bitcoin, and you know, Bitcoin is the king at the end of the day. He is the leader. He will control this market no matter what. If Bitcoin dumps, the whole market will dump. That's just how it is. That's always how it's been. Let's have a look at the 4-hour EMA ribbons. I believe we are touching the exponential moving average. Let's have a look. Okay, so we are touching the exponential moving average right here, exactly as I said. And as you guys can see, we haven't broken above the EMA ribbons ever since we broke down on May 12th, 2021, which was 15 days ago, even well over that. So we had a rejection right here, right here. Look at that. Everything right here has been rejected. We've been getting rejected. So in my opinion, if we get rejected one more time, I don't see why Cardano is going to keep going up. That's the honest truth. Anyways, guys, nothing too crazy to see over here. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.